Good morning, students. In continuation of IR spectra, we will see some important topics in IR spectra. One more topic, this is the one important topic. Identification of organic molecule by stretching frequencies. Yesterday we saw the bending vibrations, stretching vibrations, all those between two atoms or two molecules. We saw all those. Okay, stretching vibrations are there. Different stretching vibrations, different bending vibrations. Stretching vibrations are two types: symmetrical stretching vibrations, asymmetrical stretching vibrations. Bending vibrations are four types. Four types yesterday we saw, na? Four types of what is those? What are those? Scissoring, okay, wagging, rocking, twisting. We saw all those types of vibrations in last class. Okay, then by using all those frequencies or wave number values, okay, we identify the different organic molecules, different organic functional groups. Organic functional groups. What are functional groups? Okay, already we know about the functional groups. Okay, what is the meaning of functional group? The carbon, the group or atom which can determine the physical and chemical properties of organic molecule. The group or atom which can determine the physical and chemical properties of molecule we called as functional groups. So many functional groups are present in our organic chemistry: alcohol functional group, aldehyde functional group, ketone functional group, carboxylic acid functional group, amino functional group. And after that, cis isomers are there, trans isomers are present, different isomers are also present in that functional group chemistry. And here, one of the important reasons is present in IR spectra that we call fingerprint region. Fingerprint region. Yesterday we discussed IR spectra range is 667 to 4000 to 667, 4000 per centimeters to 667 range. This is the IR spectra range in spectrum of electromagnetic spectrum of an atom or molecule. And here below 15%, 1500 per centimeter, below 1500 per centimeter region which is called fingerprint region. In this fingerprint region, we will also identify the enantiomers. Along with all compounds, okay, we also identify the enantiomers. Here we are observing the carbon-carbon stretching frequencies. Okay, here we are observing carbon-oxygen stretching frequencies, and here carbon-nitrogen stretching frequencies. Carbon-carbon stretching frequencies mean carbon-carbon single bond stretching frequencies, carbon-carbon double bond stretching frequencies, carbon-carbon triple bond stretching frequencies. Carbon-oxygen means C double bond O. Ketones, aldehydes, okay, esters, amides, acid chlorides, okay, all those carboxylic acids also. We identify all those molecules of stretching frequencies below fingerprint region. And CN stretching frequency. CN means amines, imines. Okay, amines means CNH2 called amines. C double bond ONH is called imine. C triple bond NH is called silane. Okay, carbon nitrogen frequencies, stretching frequencies. Carbon nitrogen single bond stretching frequencies, carbon nitrogen double bond stretching frequencies, carbon nitrogen triple bonding stretching frequencies are there. We'll observe under this fingerprint region. What is the fingerprint region? Below 1500 centimeter IR frequency we call as fingerprint region. Okay, that fingerprint region divided into three regions. Okay, the fingerprint region divided into three regions. One is near fingerprint region. Near fingerprint region. This is near fingerprint region. 1500 to 1350 per centimeter region we called near fingerprint region. Near fingerprint region. Okay, 1350 to 1000, this frequency will be called as middle fingerprint region. Second one, middle fingerprint region. Okay, third one, far fingerprint region. Far fingerprint region. What is that? Okay, near to 1500 to 1350 region we called near fingerprint region. Okay, 1350 to 1000 region we called middle fingerprint region. Below 1000 region we called, okay, here far fingerprint region. In which region what we observe here? Tertiary butyl group observed at this region 1380 1365. Tertiary butyl group means CH3 CH3 CH3. This group we called tertiary butyl group. Why it is called tertiary? This carbon attached to 3 carbon atoms, so we call it tertiary butyl group. This tertiary butyl group observed at near fingerprint region at nearly 1380 per centimeter frequency. Okay, wave number 1365 wave number. Nitro group also observed at 1350. Nitro group means NO2, that means CH3NO2. Okay, methyl nitrate, nitromethane, nitrobenzene, all those are observed. All those functional groups are observed at near fingerprint region. It is 1350 per centimeter region. IR frequency. Okay, IR frequency, stretching frequency, IR stretching frequency. Okay, this is about the just first near fingerprint region. Next, middle fingerprint region 1350 to 1000 we call middle fingerprint region. Here we observe the primary alcohols. Primary alcohols means CH3, CH2, OH. Okay, this OH group is attached to primary carbon, so we called primary alcohol. We observe primary alcohol. Okay, middle fingerprint region we observe the primary alcohol. Esters or COOR functional group containing molecules we call as esters. CH3, COO, CH3 we called esters. This esters also observed at middle fingerprint region. And here anhydrides. Anhydride means CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. This we called anhydride. These anhydrides are also identified at middle fingerprint region. Middle fingerprint region, that is nearly 1350 to 1000 frequency, stretching frequency. Then in continuation, far fingerprint region, below 1000 stretching frequency we called far fingerprint region. Here we observe the cis trans. Cis means, over here I am writing cis 2 butyl. This is cis 2 butyl. And here I am writing one more molecule. This is trans 2 butyl. Having same molecular formula, how to identify? Okay, cis stretching frequency is 700 per centimeter. Okay, this trans stretching frequency is 970 to 960. Okay, per centimeter stretching frequency. Okay, how to identify cis trans isomers? By using IR spectra. How to identify? One is cis 2 butene gives stretching frequency at, okay, carbon-carbon or carbon-hydrogen stretching frequency at 700 per centimeter. Okay, trans 2 butene gives stretching frequency at 970 to 960, okay, per centimeter. Okay, they will give that 972. What 972? See, 970 to 960 per centimeter stretching frequency. This is about the three fingerprint regions which are observed in IR spectroscopy. Next, in continuation, we will see the stretching frequencies of individual organic molecules. IR stretching frequencies of individual organic molecules. That means alkanes, alkenes, just I will give data, remember that. Just I am writing first one alkanes. First I will write, after that I will explain. So the values are different values. CH stretching, all are stretching. CC stretching, STR means stretching. IR frequency is 3000 per centimeter, 1300 to 800 per centimeter. This is about the alkanes. Next, second one, alkanes, carbon double bond carbon, stretching 1645 to 1640 per centimeter. Next, carbon hydrogen, stretching here 3100 per centimeter to 3000 per centimeter. Okay, next alkynes. Okay, here I am taking alkynes. Alkynes, we see what are alkynes, we see in conjunction. Carbon carbon triple bond stretching 3300 per centimeter. Carbon carbon hydrogen. Here carbon triple bond 2200 to 2100 per centimeter. Next, fourth one, aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds. Okay, we see in conclusion what are aromatic compounds. C double bond C stretching 1600 per centimeter. CH stretching in hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon 3050 per centimeter. Next, alcohols. OH stretching here 3700 to 3500. And here CH stretching 2990 to 2925 per centimeter. Okay, these are the some more molecules are there. We will see in continuation those. Alkanes means methane, ethane, propane, butane. All those are the best examples for the alkanes. In alkanes, carbon carbon single bond is there. Carbon carbon, carbon hydrogen. Stretching this carbon hydrogen bond, this is carbon carbon bond. Carbon hydrogen bond stretching frequency is 3000. Carbon carbon stretching frequency is 1300 to 1800 per centimeter. That is. Next, alkene means CH2 double bond CH2, CH3 CH double bond CH2, propene, ethene. All those are the best example for the alkenes. Here double bond is there and here hydrogen is there. Carbon hydrogen stretching, carbon carbon stretching. Carbon carbon stretching is 1645 to 1640 per centimeter. Carbon hydrogen stretching is here carbon hydrogen stretching is 3100 to 3000 per centimeter stretching. That is alkenes. What about the alkynes? Alkynes means carbon carbon triple bond molecules we call as alkynes. Carbon carbon triple bond molecules we call as alkynes. Here carbon hydrogen stretching, carbon carbon stretching. Here see carbon carbon stretching is 2200 to 2100. Carbon hydrogen stretching is 3300 per centimeter. 3300 per centimeter. That is the stretching value of that one. Aromatic compound means benzene. Simple example, benzene. Benzene means this is the benzene. Here hydrogen is there. Here hydrogen is there. This is a carbon, and that means here we have two carbon carbon double bond is there. Carbon hydrogen single bond is there. Here see in aromatic molecule carbon stretching is 1600 per centimeter. Okay, carbon hydrogen stretching frequency is 3050 okay per centimeter. These are the values. This CH stretching, CH stretching in alkane and aromatic compounds. Alcohols, what are the examples for alcohols? CH3 OH, C2H5 OH. Here too, this may be written like this. Carbon oxygen stretching is there, oxygen hydrogen stretching is there. C. And carbon hydrogen stretching also is there. Okay, oxygen hydrogen stretching is this one, 3700 to 3500. This is a very important one. CH stretching, this CH stretching is 2990 to 2925. Okay, this one. Carbon oxygen stretching nearly 1700 per centimeter. Here carbon oxygen stretching is nearly 1700 per centimeter. These are the different stretching frequencies of alkanes. This is alkane, this is alkyne, aromatic compound and alcohols. In continuation, we will see some more important compounds. Just I will write and I will explain. Remember these values only. That's all. Just I will write the values. Then aldehydes. Aldehydes and ketones. C double bond O functional group 1752 per centimeter to 1720. Aldehyde alpha beta unsaturated 1705 to 1680 per centimeter. Next CH stretching here. All are stretching 1640 to 1655 per centimeter. Next carboxylic acids. What are carboxylic acids? COOH functional group containing molecules called carboxylic acid. Here C double bond OH stretching. Next here OH stretching 1725 to 1700 per centimeter. Next OH stretching is 3000 to 2500 per centimeter. Okay. Next amines. NH amines means NH2 functional group containing molecules we call as amines. Here only we have NH stretching, that is 3500 to 3300 per centimeter. Okay. Next esters. Esters C double bond O stretching here 1750 to 1735 per centimeter. Next CO stretching 1240 per centimeter. Next thioalcohols. Last one SH stretching is 2400 per centimeter. These are the important values. For the IR frequencies of different functional groups. Just I want to explain all those. Aldehydes. What are aldehydes? C double bond O H functional group containing molecules we call as aldehydes. C double bond O functional group containing molecules we call ketones. Okay, here C double bond O is there. Here also C double bond O is there. C double bond O stretching frequency is 1750 to 1720 per centimeter. Okay, 1750 to 1720 per centimeter. Yes, na 1750 to 1720 per centimeter. Okay, this is the aldehyde stretching frequencies. And here alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde are ketone. Alpha beta unsaturated means CH double bond CH CHO. This is functional group. This is alpha carbon, beta carbon. This we called alpha beta unsaturated. Alpha beta unsaturated molecule. For this aldehydes or ketones, the stretching frequency is 1705 to 1680 per centimeter. 1705 to 1680 per centimeter. This is the stretching frequency for alpha beta unsaturated molecule. This is we called crotonaldehyde. And cinnamaldehyde also is there. CH double bond CH CH4. This we called cinnamaldehyde. This we call cinnamaldehyde, crotonaldehyde. These are the best example for the alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. Okay, here for that 1705 to stretching alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde stretching frequency is 1705 to 1680 per centimeter. Next here CH stretching for aldehydes and ketones. CH stretching means this one. C double bond Y is the reaching the aldehydes. For aldehydes, CH stretching, okay, that stretching is 1640 to 1655 per centimeter. 1640 to 1655 per centimeter. That is the stretching frequency. Then carboxylic acid, COOH functional group containing organic molecules we call as carboxylic acids. COOH functional group containing molecules we call as carboxylic acids. Here COOH stretching frequency is 1725 to 1700 per centimeter. And here OH stretching is 3000 to 2500 per centimeter. OH stretching is 3000 to OH stretching is this one. O and H is there, oxygen is there, here hydrogen is there. That OH stretching is 3000 to 2500 per centimeter. Amines, NH2 functional group containing molecules we call as amines. NH2 functional group containing molecules we call as amines. NH stretching is there, that is 3500 to 3300. Okay, 3300 stretching frequency. Next, esters. What are esters? Or COR functional group containing molecules we call as esters. Or COR functional group containing molecules we call as esters. Here, CO stretching for ester is CO na. This ester means or C double bond O R. CO stretching means this stretching 1750 to 1735 per centimeter, and CO stretching single bond carbon single bond stretching. This carbon single bond stretching. Okay, here 1240 per centimeter. 1240 per centimeter. And thiols. What are thiols? SH functional group containing molecules we called thiols. SH functional group containing molecules we called thiols. Okay, for example, CH3SH. CH3OH we called methyl alcohol. CH3SHS we called methyl thio alcohol. Methyl thio alcohol. We called methyl thio alcohol. This is we called methyl thio alcohol. Here SH one is there. SH stretching frequency is 2400 per centimeter. SH stretching frequency is 2400 per centimeter. See, aldehydes. In that aldehydes, see, okay, CO frequency is there, that is nearly absorbed at 1750 per centimeter to 1720 per centimeter. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes are there, ketones are there. For aldehydes, I gave example crotonaldehyde and cinnamaldehyde. For that we absorbed at 1705 to 1680 per centimeter. In that aldehydes, not ketones, aldehyde stretching frequency is there. That stretching frequency is 1640 to 1655 per centimeter. 1655 per centimeter. Then carboxylic acids are there. What are carboxylic acids? COOH functional group containing molecules we called as carboxylic acids. In that, COOH stretching is there, that is nearly 1725 to 1700 per centimeter. OH is there, OH stretching is nearly 3000 to 2500 per centimeter. And amines, NH stretching, amines contain NH na, NH stretching is 3500 to 3300 per centimeter. Esters means or COR functional group containing molecules we called as esters. In that, CO stretching, C carbon double bond oxygen stretching, carbon single bond stretching, that is 1240 single bond stretching, double bond stretching is 1750 to 1735 per centimeter. Thiols, SH function group containing molecules we called as thiols, okay, that is methyl thioalcohol or methyl thiol, okay, that SH stretching frequency is observed at 2400 per centimeter stretching frequency. Okay, this is about the IR spectroscopy. One more chapter finished in physical chemistry. 3 chapters are there in physical chemistry. Then that IR spectra, one more dilute solutions, and second law of thermodynamics. Second law of thermodynamics will be there. We'll start tomorrow second law of thermodynamics or any other topic from inorganic chemistry. Thank you.